Hello and welcome to the latest edition of Jimster 586's Lock Shop. Today I have a Yale padlock for you. See the other side? It's kind of an interesting one. It has two key locks on the bottom, only one of which I have the key to. You can see here the one says Master. The other says Change. I don't have the Master key. I do have the Change key though. Oh, that's not the right one. This is the right one. So let's open it up for you. This one you have to help it open a little bit. It's old style. It does not have the double ball bearing. That hadn't been invented yet, really. Lock works well, just doesn't like to open. Just needs a little bit of help. I don't know if the spring's shot or what. I've never seen a lock set up like this with two different keys. This is actually a totally different keyway. These keys don't even go in. I have this second key here, which actually doesn't do anything, as you can see, but it won't fit in the master side. This is an old Yale. I don't know how old exactly, but I can tell you it's ancient. Oops, wrong side. Let's open that up for you again. Whoa. Sorry for getting my fingers in your way. Made in USA. Yaletown Manufacturing. And that's about all I have for you. So that's a Yale with two different keyways. Never seen one like this with two different locks on it. Kind of a unique one. One master and one change. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you next time.